Let's have a look how integration can help support an engineer's daily work. After working on a new project, a safe is needed. Preferable, you would like to save your work in a central place, namely in the PLM system. We start the save process in the menu. Alternatively, you can save with the context menu of the project. The dialog box, which fades in, is the main cockpit for all actions related to creating, saving, and releasing design and manufacturing data. The XPLM integration enables the reuse of templates for circuit diagrams. The templates and drawing frames can contain predefined parameters as placeholders. The dialog consists of 3 sections. In the first section, the context and the name in PTC Windchill are specified. Handle the design data in the second section. Generate the BOM in the last section. Assign the ECAD project to existing items in the PLM and select the groups for which the output data should be generated for. Use the Create icons to create data. Select the group to create the belonging bill of materials. With the Select All button, all output options are checked. And by pressing the OK or Apply button, the PLM data model and all relations between the different objects are verified. The user can follow the progress in the event log and is informed about the status. A further important action is accompanying the whole process: the comparison between the ECAD BOM and the PLM BOM. In our scenario, all parts are marked green because we're uploading the BOM for the first time. Tag View lists each component sorted by position number, and each design variant comes with an individual BOM which can be unfolded. Use the Show and Hide capabilities to adjust your view. In the Quantity view, components with the same item number are consolidated. The number and the corresponding abbreviations are listed in separate columns. The Missing Parts display shows all design components without a link to a part number in PLM. Use the Unreleased Parts display to see all parts without a release status in PLM. The last display option, Unassigned Parts, lists all components that exist in the current design project but have no entry in the ECAD library. We confirm with OK and start uploading the BOM. With all the actions, we have created the data model in PLM and created and uploaded all documents, such as the native project and the manufacturing data, including all variants. Without an integration between an authoring tool and PLM, this process would be a time-consuming and error-prone task. With the integration, this becomes quite simple and can be operated by any electronics engineer in no time at all. We are now having a detailed look at all the release data. In the Save dialog, we can directly access PTC Windchill by selecting the Show button in the Design section. The integration automatically redirects us to the corresponding document containing the native design data. You can open design-related files which were created during the save process. View the functional module related content in PTC Windchill to see the structured BOM of the part. The integration offers you the possibility to show the data of each functional module in PLM. Furthermore, the cable harness drawings are available as a PDF. Our fourth scenario is when components were placed on the schematic of the design which have yet to be created in PLM. We're going to synchronize both systems with the menu entry Synchronize Parts. With the help of the comparison mechanism provided by the integration, this dialog shows information about the differences between the ECAD library and PLM. The components are displayed, and by selecting one, we see that the PLM material number and other attributes are missing for this component. With the Synchronize button, we start the synchronization of the ECAD library with the PLM system. A new material number is created in PLM and assigned to the ECAD component. Usually, electrical engineers define electrical parameters, like a value of a resistor or the tolerance of a capacitor to their components in the ECAD library. Logistical parameters like the release status are available in PTC Windchill. For each parameter, the direction of the synchronization can be individually configured according to the company's needs. This offers electric engineers and other persons involved in the PLM workflow the most possible flexibility and full visibility on component parameters. Besides the synchronization, the context menu of the part allows you to view the part in PTC Windchill. Lastly, after synchronizing, we return to the Save dialog to upload our project to PLM again. Normally, a project remains in the processing status until it is finally completed and released. If you would like to make the project accessible to other organizational members, deactivate the Keep Reserve checkbox to set the design status from Locked in PLM to Accessible. In the dialog for the BOM comparison, we have full control about the actual and the previously uploaded BOM. Deactivating the Unchanged checkbox lists all components we newly placed in the schematics. It is now up to the user to upload the BOM or cancel the operation. Confirm with OK to perform a new upload. At this point, we have come to the end of the presentation of the integration between the design environment and PTC Windchill. In case of further questions, please contact us via marketing@xplm.com or www.xplm.com.